What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Irwin and Life, and today I'm actually going to be headed out to a local spot here down the road from my work so I could actually fish during my lunch break. But before we get to it, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification button below. And if you are new to the channel, welcome to Irwin and Life, and please keep watching these videos and always leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. And today I was actually going to come out here and fish this spot. You can see I ended up running into another YouTuber who pulled his rod out and started fishing and actually caught a seagull. So that was actually really funny. Catching birds.
That's a first for me.
You got wrapped around your line?
Yeah, he got tangled up real good. Man, stop moving, dude.
It's not yours anymore, is it, little seagull?
Ow!
Oh, you got braid on there too.
Yeah. So I'm trying to keep this bird from getting hurt. I'm gonna have to. Oh, man. You got a knife on you? I don't care where you cut.
At least you caught a bird.
Yeah. All right, you're gonna send me that video. We're gonna be Facebook
Heck
friends.
yeah, man, that's right. That was a perfect release.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day.
I know, right? Hey, you got yours in today.
Yeah.
Man, I was actually gonna be fishing on my lunch break out here, and I ended up running into one of my fellow YouTubers out here. Kill it and grill it. He ended up catching a seagull first cast. And I got him some scissors. We cut the braid, so yeah. So it was pretty cool, but yeah, man, that was awesome. So if you like these videos, please subscribe, click on the notification button below, and as always, keep fishing.